My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is coming from the site Nftcomputerprotector.store. Nftcomputerprotector.store. So this is the website that displays pretty misleading alerts that try to make people think that their computer is horribly infected. This is the typical online scam that hunts for people's money. The point is that there is nothing wrong in promoting decent software, but these pop-ups, Nftcomputerprotector.store, are not decent. They are the example of typical online scam that tries to force people into downloading and installing software. So, if you see these pop-ups, do not trust them, do not interact with them, and do not install anything that they suggest. These pop-ups are not related to any decent security programs. Instead, there are some criminals standing behind them who try to promote their own fake software. If you see these pop-ups, it could be that your system is messed up by some adware. So first thing you should do is to check the control panel and go to the list of programs and remove any items that are suspicious. Finally, to make sure that your device is free of any other hidden threats, I would strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.